Question 9 gives us a scatter graph of the weight plotted on the vertical axis against the age in months of a set of babies. And rather not surprisingly, as the age increases, the weight of the babies goes up. Yes, there's a bit of a spread, but we can certainly put on an average line given our scatter, and it would look something like that. So the answer to part A will be that there is a positive correlation between age and weight, which means that as age goes up, the weight will also go up. Okay, let's have a go at part B. Part B says, using the graph, find an estimate for the age of a baby that weighs 5.8 kilograms. Okay, so we're using our yellow line. So 5.8 on the graph, 5 is here, 5.8 will be here. So if I draw a line along and using my yellow line as the average of the scatter points, my horizontal axis value will be about there, which is just below 4. So by my reckoning, a 5.8 kilogram baby will be about 3.9 months old. And that will be your answer. And of course, the examiners will accept a reasonable range of your answer here. In fact, the range for full marks will be 2.5 up to 4.5. So this is well within that range of acceptance.